Hello, I'm the artist Halie French. Happy Fluid Art Friday. Today's acrylic pour is one in a series of 4 called Galaxy Spill. I really hope you enjoyed the video. And if you like my art, please visit my website, haliefrenchartwork.com. Thank you so much and stay safe.
Tonight, I opened up my eyes. Tonight, I'm wide awake and I'm breaking in two. I can't make it. So will you save my life? Tonight, talking in my sleep, and I'm tired of feeling like a secret I can keep. I'm letting it go, I say it. So will you set me free? There's nowhere I can go inside my head. No place left to hide away your memory and found me Tonight, there's nothing left to dream. And this broken lullaby, it's all that's left to sing. I keep waiting for you, I can't make it without you next to me. Oh no, Tonight, I opened up my eyes. Tonight, I'm wide awake and
Hello again. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button. Check out my next video with that button. And don't forget to like and share. And I hope you have a great day and stay safe. Thank you.